Hello my dear students, welcome back to chemistry class beta. So in the last class we have seen mechanism of nucleophilic addition reactions. That mechanism I have told you beta, very important. And one more topic we have studied that is nothing but the aldehydes are more reactive than ketones towards what beta? Nucleophilic addition reactions. So in nucleophilic addition reactions, aldehydes are more reactive as compared to the ketone. This point also already I have told you in the last class. So the reason also already I have told you that ketones are less reactive in nucleophilic addition reactions. Due to reason number one, I have told you that this is nothing but steric reason or steric effect. And one more reason I have told you here, that is nothing but what beta? Electronic effect. So steric and electronic effect, on the basis of the two concepts, we have to say that ketones are less reactive in nucleophilic addition reactions as compared to the aldehydes beta. Okay, right. So as compared to ketone, aldehydes are more reactive, accepted beta. But again in that aldehydes are two types. One is nothing but what beta? Aliphatic aldehyde, and one more is nothing but the aromatic aldehyde. Okay, what is mean by aliphatic aldehyde? Formaldehyde, acetaldehyde, propanaldehyde, like that beta. And what is mean by aromatic aldehyde? Aromatic aldehyde is nothing but simply we can say that what beta? Benzaldehyde. Yeah beta. So now I am saying as compared to ketone, aldehydes are more reactive beta. Again in that aldehyde, aliphatic aldehydes are more reactive as compared to the benzaldehyde. So this is the again new order for nucleophilic addition reactions among the aldehydes. So which aldehydes are more reactive beta? Aliphatic aldehydes are more reactive as compared to the aromatic aldehyde. So I am going to give you here three examples. Aliphatic aldehyde, best example is formaldehyde, H bonded to C double bond O, C double bond O bonded to H. And also we can consider another one, acetaldehyde भी अपन ले सकते हैं. What is the formula beta? CH3 bonded to C double bond O, C double bond O bonded to H. So this is simple and fundamental aldehyde, I mean aliphatic category, and acetaldehyde, it is also nothing but aliphatic aldehyde. One more aromatic aldehyde I am going to take that is nothing but what beta? Benzaldehyde. That means benzene bonded to C double bond O, C double bond O bonded to H beta. So formaldehyde, acetaldehyde, benzaldehyde. In the three, which is more reactive towards nucleophilic addition reactions. Same topic yesterday also I have told you. So in formaldehyde, no steric groups are there, but in acetaldehyde, one steric group is there. So it is less reactive, it is more reactive. So formaldehyde is more reactive in nucleophilic addition reaction. After that what beta? Acetaldehyde. Again after that what nana? Aromatic aldehyde, that is nothing but what beta? Benzaldehyde. So benzaldehyde is less reactive, and also we can say that it is less reactive in nucleophilic addition reactions. So aliphatic aldehydes are more reactive as compared to the aromatic aldehyde. Okay, aromatic aldehyde example is nothing but what beta? Benzaldehyde. It is very less reactive as compared to the aliphatic aldehydes. Okay, so now the question is already inside the textbook. One question is there. Question important for 1 mark beta. Why benzaldehyde is less reactive towards NAR as compared to the aliphatic aldehyde? Okay, na? Yes, reason I am going to show you. First of all, I want to show you the structure is nothing but benzaldehyde. So why benzaldehyde is less reactive? Okay, question mark. This point I am going to be explaining here beta. So what was the structure of benzaldehyde? First of all, again I am going to take benzene ring. You suppose it connected to C. Again C connected to what beta? Double bond O group. Again you suppose it was connected to H. Yes, inside the benzene we have to be consider how many pi bonds nana? 3 pi bonds. Like this have to be considered. So this is your structure of benzaldehyde. Actually as compared to carbon, oxygen contain more electronegativity, means it contain the charge is minus, and carbon contain the charge is nothing but generally plus beta. This point you know very well due to delocalization of pi bond. Okay, so carbonyl carbon contain positive charge, means it can be easily attacked by nucleophile because of nucleophile charge is minus. So nucleophile attacking takes place easily upon carbonyl plus carbon. Okay na beta. But here what happened beta? Positive charge of carbonyl carbon in benzaldehyde, such positive charge goes to be reduces. Such positive charge goes to be decreases. Due to reason is, so the bond between 1 to 2 position I am going to be delocalized here. The bond between 3 to 4 position I am going to be delocalized here. Means this is called resonance concept. So in benzaldehyde, benzene ring shows resonance effect. Due to resonance effect, here benzaldehyde, it is donating its electrons. Nothing but we have to say that electron donating or electron releasing effect of electron releasing resonance effect of benzene. Okay, now electrons are donated to the carbonyl carbon. So by the gain of one pi bonding electron, automatically the positive charge of carbonyl carbon that goes to be decreases. Now is there any positive charge upon carbonyl carbon? No positive charge. So nucleophile attacking cannot be takes place easily. I hope you understand. यहाँ पर no more benzaldehyde, carbonyl carbon contain more positive, easily attacked by nucleophile. यहाँ पर carbonyl carbon contain positive, but little bit decrease due to donating nature. यहाँ पर carbonyl carbon contain actually positive, but that was completely reduced. So positive charge of carbonyl carbon goes to be reduced due to reason is nothing but electron releasing resonance effect of benzene ring. So due to this electron releasing or resonance nature, the positive charge of carbonyl carbon that goes to be decreases. So due to this reason what happened beta is due to electron releasing resonance effect of benzene ring, positive charge of carbonyl carbon that goes to be decreases. Due to decrease of positive charge कम होने की वजह से it cannot be attacked easily by the nucleophile. So in this case what happened beta? Nucleophilic addition reactivity goes to be decreases. So in benzaldehyde is less reactive towards what beta? Nucleophilic addition reaction. Once again reason is why. So in case of benzaldehyde, okay, benzene ring is there. So benzene ring contain pi bond. Such pi bonding electrons undergo resonance. So due to electron releasing resonance effect, positive charge of carbonyl carbon goes to be decreased. Due to decrease of positive charge, tendency of nucleophilic attack will also decreases. So finally nucleophilic addition reactivity is less for aromatic aldehyde, for benzaldehydes as compared to the aliphatic aldehydes. I hope you understand this story clearly. This is the main point. Due to resonance effect of benzene, positive charge of carbonyl carbon decreases. Due to that reason, tendency of nucleophilic attack goes to be decreases. ये तुम्हारा answer very important. Okay, beta, all of you, right. Next, another topic I want to say that as compared to ketone, aldehydes are more reactive. Again in that aldehyde, as compared to aromatic aldehyde, aliphatic aldehydes are more reactive. Okay, now listen carefully. Now I am going to show you the overall order of reactivity order of various types of compounds towards the nucleophilic addition reactions. Okay beta, right. Reactivity order for nucleophilic addition reactions. So which compound is highly reactive and which compounds are less reactive towards NAR. So same thing I want to say that, okay, which compound was highly reactive beta? Formaldehyde, very important. Due to presence of steric free H atoms, no more repulsion beta, easily attacked by what nana? Nucleophile. Next, so formaldehyde ke baad we have to say that what nana? Yes, just now I have told you that is nothing but aliphatic aldehyde. I mean acetaldehyde, propanaldehyde, butanaldehyde, like that nana. Next, after aliphatic aldehyde, we have to be read that what beta? Yes, aromatic aldehyde, nothing but we have to take benzene ring. Consider करेंगे. Yes, after completion of aldehyde category, we have to go for ketone. Again in ketone पहले क्या लिखना? Aliphatic beta. Aliphatic ketones are more reactive. After that what nana? Aromatic ketone, nothing but like acetophenone. First of all, aldehyde category: formaldehyde, aliphatic aldehyde, aromatic aldehyde. After completion of aldehyde, we have to enter into the ketone: aliphatic ketone, aromatic ketone. After aromatic ketone, we have to take that acid halides. After that, we have to consider that acid anhydrides. Because of this are also nothing but what, Nana? Carbonyl compounds. I have told you in the first class. And also we can consider next one is nothing but ester, and next one is nothing but acid amides. Very, very important. This is the order. So which is highly reactive towards nucleophilic addition, beta? So formaldehyde, after that aliphatic aldehyde, after that aromatic aldehyde. After completion of aldehyde category, okay, we have to go for the ketone. After completion of ketone, we have to go for the respective derivatives. I mean acid halide, acid anhydride, ester, and acid amides. So this is the order of reactivity of the various types of carbonyl compounds towards nucleophilic addition reactions. Okay, na? Good. So on the basis of this point, I want to say another reason, na? Both very, very, very important point. This is already I have told you yesterday, but once again. So what is the formula of carbonyl group? Carbonyl group formula is very important point. I am going to say here. What is the formula of carbonyl group? Carbonyl group formula is nothing but bond, C double bond O bond. Okay, beta. It may be the formula of aldehyde, ketone for all applicable कर सकते हैं सबके लिए. First, suppose carbonyl carbon connected to electron donating group. Electrons are donated to the carbonyl carbon. Again, it is also electron donating group towards the carbonyl carbon. Next, second case, I am going to be consider that again same carbonyl group. Again, it connected to two bond. One side it connected to electron withdrawing group. I am writing here reverse symbol. Again here also you suppose it was connected to another electron withdrawing group. Yes, here also I am writing same reverse symbol. So in presence of electron withdrawing groups, in presence of electron donating groups, how the reactivity of carbonyl compounds? In one case, okay, increases, and in one more case, reactivity goes to be decreases. So listen careful reasons देखिए बेटा. So first of all here carbonyl group C double bond O, it was connected to two electron donating group. Electron donating group means they are showing positive inductive effect. Electron withdrawing group means they are showing here negative inductive effect. I hope you understand. Okay, na? Good. Now listen carefully, beta. So two electron donating groups are here and two electron withdrawing groups are there. In presence of electron donating group, what will be happen? Generally, listen carefully. As pi bond electrons, they will be shift towards the oxygen. So generally, carbonyl carbon contain the charge positive, oxygen contain the charge negative. Here also same thing, pi bonding electron shifting towards the oxygen. Carbonyl carbon contain the charge positive, oxygen contain the charge negative. This is general concept you know very well. Okay, we don't need to consider the charge of oxygen, leave it. Focus on the positive charge of carbonyl carbon. Ready? This is carbonyl carbon, so it contains positive charge always because of polar nature, beta. Okay, so in which case positive charge will be high, in which case positive charge will be low. Listen carefully. I want to say that first of all, second one. So try to compare in, okay, compare reverse for first one. So let me go for second one now. It is the carbonyl carbon. First of all, carbonyl functional group C double bond O, and this is carbonyl carbon. Carbonyl carbon always contains positive charge. Yes sir, no beta. Common हो तो सबको मान. Right. But in presence of two electron withdrawing groups, in presence of two minus I effect groups, here carbon was connected to electron withdrawing group. Due to withdrawing nature, central carbon act, okay na, going to be act as donating nature nana. Okay na. Yes, यहाँ पर side group nature is electron withdrawing nature. So connected bond is nothing but carbon. Carbon atom is nothing but it has the tendency, electron donating tendency. Means in presence of electron withdrawing groups they are having negative charge. So carbon is nothing but donor. Donor charge is nothing but positive. So final thing is in presence of electron withdrawing groups, carbonyl carbon act as donating center, means its positive charge goes to be increase. So in presence of electron withdrawing groups, positive charge of carbonyl carbon, what beta, increases. In presence of electron withdrawing groups, central carbon is nothing but a donating tendency. So donating nature means it contains more positive. In presence of electron withdrawing groups, positive charge on carbonyl carbon increases. So now carbonyl carbon contain more positive charge. More positive means easily attacked by Nu minus, I mean nucleophile. So due to increase of more positive charge, nucleophile attacking takes place easily. So nucleophile attacks easily beta in this case. That means nucleophilic addition reactivity increases. Once again, very important, a key point important. This is okay now, above one is quite opposite, comparison better. In presence of electron withdrawing groups, the carbonyl carbon, it has a tendency, donating tendency, because of side groups are withdrawing. So donating means it contains more positive charge. I mean carbonyl carbon positive charge goes to be increased. Due to its more positive charge, it was easily attacked by minus. The minus is nothing but nucleophile. So in case of electron withdrawing groups, nucleophilic addition or nucleophilic addition reactivity goes to be increases. In presence of withdrawing, more nucleophilic addition reactivity. Quite opposite here. Already the group is nothing but electron donating. Side groups are donating, means the central carbon cannot be act as donate, means it contains less positive charge due to electronic effect. So in presence of electron donating groups, quite opposite for below. In presence of electron donating groups, positive charge of carbonyl carbon, what will be happen beta, decreases. But in presence of electron withdrawing, positive charge on carbonyl carbon increases, nucleophilic addition reactivity also increased. But यहाँ पर in presence of electron donating groups, positive charge of carbonyl carbon decreases. That means nucleophilic addition reactivity will also decrease. बस ये दो पॉइंट परफेक्टली रिमेंबर करना पड़ेगा. One hint clearly. More positive charge on carbonyl carbon. More positive charge on carbonyl carbon, okay now, it is directly proportional to NAR, nucleophilic addition reactivity. So greater the positive charge on carbonyl carbon, more is the nucleophilic addition reactivity. Okay, ये पॉइंट तुम रिमेंबर करना पड़ता. This is directly proportional relation, very important. So more positive charge on carbonyl carbon, it is possible only in presence of electron withdrawing group. In that case, nucleophilic attack takes place easily. That means nucleophilic addition reactivity also increases, directly proportional. Fix beta? Good. So on the basis of topic 1, on the basis of topic 2, note point 1 and note point 2, based on this, I want to ask you 3 examples. All 3 examples are very important inside the textbook questions. Now beta, question number 1 I am going to teach you. Yes, first compound I am going to provide you, that is nothing but the one is nothing but the chloral, and one more compound I am going to be provided that is nothing but acetaldehyde. Very important question for objective and theory also. Theory come objective. One is chloral, one more is acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde formula, you know that CH3 bond CHO. And what was the formula of chloral? CCl3 bond CHO. Yes or no? Yes. So listen carefully. Once again I am going to write the formula. Chloral formula CaCl3 bond CHO. And what was the formula of acetaldehyde? Acetaldehyde formula is CH3 bonded to CHO. यहाँ पर CCl3 and this is CH3. Means this is acetaldehyde, this is trichloroacetaldehyde. Okay beta? Yes, in the 2 compounds which contains more nucleophilic addition reactivity. Yes, I am going to write the answer is nucleophilic addition reactivity. Before going to explanation of mine, you have to say the answer. Try to say the answer beta. CH3CHO acetaldehyde. Okay, CH3 is nothing but donating nature. Alkyl group na beta. In presence of donating, nucleophilic addition reactivity decreases. Clear answer. And chlorine is there. Chlorine nature is nothing but electron withdrawing. In presence of electron withdrawing, positive charge goes to B, increases. Nothing but nucleophilic addition reactivity also increased. Answer over. So which is more reactive beta? Chloral. So chloral is more reactive. What was the formula of chloral beta? CCl3CHO. Chloral is more reactive as compared to the acetaldehyde in nucleophilic addition reactions. Okay, once again, what was the formula of chloral? Central C connected to C double bond O bonded to H. CHO over. It connected to C. But C contains 3 chlorine. Chlorine number 1, chlorine number 2, and this is chlorine number 3. Okay, beta. CCl3CHO. Okay, good. Yes, as compared to carbon, oxygen contain more electronegativity. Carbon contain the charge positive, oxygen contain the charge negative. अपने को ऑक्सीजन का कंसिडर करने की जरूरत ही नहीं है बेटा. Right. Upon actually listen carefully. CH3 is electron donating group, but this is CCl3 due to presence of 3 chlorine. Its nature is electron withdrawing nature. Okay, good. And as compared to carbon, chlorine contains more electronegativity. As compared to carbon, chlorine contains more electronegativity. Again here also, chlorine contains more electronegativity. Withdrawing, withdrawing, withdrawing. 3 electron withdrawing groups are there. And overall is CCl3. It is also electron withdrawing nature. So in presence of electron withdrawing groups, positive charge of carbonyl carbon increases. Nothing but, so here carbonyl carbon contains positive charge. Which type of positive charge? It contains more positive charge. Due to presence of more positive charge, because of यहाँ पर minus I group is there, minus I group is there, minus I group is there, means electron withdrawing groups. In presence of electron withdrawing groups, carbonyl carbon contain more positive charge. Higher the positive charge, higher is the reactivity. So we can say, okay, now NAR is more reactive as compared to the acetaldehyde. So C connected to H, C connected to H, C connected to H, nothing but CH3. CH3 bonded to C double bond OH. Again यहाँ पर pi bonding shifting towards the oxygen. Carbonyl contain positive, oxygen contain negative. But here CH3 nature is nothing but which nature? Electron donating nature, means it contain plus psi effect. In presence of plus psi effect group, nucleophilic addition reactivity decreases. I hope you understand this clearly. Good. Next, second example and another question from the inside NCERT textbook. I am going to ask you second question, beta. First, suppose the second question is, yes, first of all I am going to consider the compound that is nothing but benzaldehyde. Yes. Next here I am going to consider another compound. You suppose that is nothing but the acetophenone. Next here I am going to be considered another compound. You suppose that is nothing but the benzophenone. So 3 respective compounds I am going to be considered here first of all, and arrange the following compounds in their increasing order of reactivity towards nucleophilic addition reactions. Yes, I have given there. For this question we can give the answer by using this concept. पहले aldehyde लिखना पड़ेगा. Is there any aldehyde? Yes, benzaldehyde is there. So I am going to write first of all benzaldehyde. Benzaldehyde formula: benzene bonded to C. What nana? Double bond O, again bonded to H. After that, what nana? Ketone. Acetophenone, benzophenone, both are ketone. But in benzophenone, 2 benzene rings are there. But in acetophenone, only 1 benzene is there. As number of benzene ring increases, resonance effect will increase, but nucleophilic addition reactivity goes to be decreases. I have told you now starting May. Right. In this class only at starting I have told you. Okay, let me write now acetophenone. Benzene bonded to C double bond O, C double bond O bonded to CH3. Next one is benzophenone. Again I have to be considered that benzene bonded to C double bond O, again C double bond O connected to what beta? Benzene. Like this. Okay guys, good man. So listen carefully. Here one benzene ring, but this is free, steric free site. Hydrogen is there. Nucleophilic attack takes place easily. Both are nothing but ketone, but this is aldehyde. Okay, na benzaldehyde. So aldehydes are more reactive in nucleophilic addition reactions. But here for one benzene ring, यहाँ पर two benzene ring. As number of benzene rings increases, here more resonance is there. So positive charge of carbonyl carbon decreases. I mean nucleophilic reaction decreases beta. So this is the order. So which is more reactive here? Benzaldehyde is more reactive. Means aromatic aldehydes are more reactive. As compared to this is ketone. Which ketone? Alkyl aryl ketone. Alkyl aryl ketone. And it is also ketone, but which ketone? AV-aryl. Two aryl rings are there, so we can say that diaryl ketones. So once again you got new order here. Okay, first of all formaldehyde, next aliphatic aldehyde, next aromatic aldehyde, next ketone. But which ketone? Aliphatic ketone, I mean acetone, but acetone is not there. Next go to aromatic ketone. In aromatic two ketones are there. Alkyl aryl ketone, diaryl ketone. But which is more reactive? Alkyl aryl ketones are more reactive. After the diaryl ketones we have to be right now. Okay, all of you. This is second example for you. And third example also given from textbook Nana. So that is nothing but the, yes, directly I am going to be right here question number 3. One is nothing but the benzene bonded to C double bond O and H benzaldehyde. I am going to consider first of all 3 benzaldehyde rings. Again benzene bonded to C double bond O and H. Next ring. Again same thing beta, benzaldehyde. Benzene bonded to C double bond O and H. So 3 benzaldehyde rings I have taken here. In first ring I am going to add the group exactly at para, I mean opposite place. Here I am going to be write that NO2 group, nitro group. Okay, second molecule is originally benzaldehyde, consider like that only. And last molecule is benzaldehyde opposite, I mean para place. Here I am going to be write that CH3. This is benzaldehyde, neither donating nor withdrawing. This is para-nitrobenzaldehyde. Nitro group is powerful electron withdrawing group. It shows minus I effect. Strong electron withdrawing group now. EWZ group. But यहाँ पर CH3 सबको मालूम. Methyl group is nothing but electron donating group. It shows plus I effect. It shows electron donating nature. Answer clear cut. Neither withdrawing nor donating. But here is withdrawing. Here is donating. In case of withdrawing, reactivity increases. In case of donating, reactivity decreases. So answer, which is answer? Para-nitrobenzaldehyde or para-methyl benzaldehyde, which is more reactive? In presence of electron withdrawing group, reactivity increases. So para-nitrobenzaldehyde is more reactive. After that simple benzaldehyde. After that para-methyl benzaldehyde. Answer clear cut now. So in presence of electron withdrawing group, carbonyl carbon contain more positive charge, easily attacked by nucleophile beta. I hope you understand. So which is more reactive beta? Para-nitrobenzaldehyde. Para-nitrobenzaldehyde. It is more reactive in nucleophilic addition reaction due to presence of electron withdrawing group. Next, यहाँ पर electron donating group is there, so we can say compound name is nothing but para-methyl benzaldehyde. Para-methyl benzaldehyde, and also we can say another name is called para-taulaldehyde. Para-taulaldehyde, very very important Nana. Okay, para-taulaldehyde. So para plus में क्या है? CH3 group है. So this is called para-taulaldehyde. Means tauline plus aldehyde beta. And this is what Nana, electron withdrawing group nitro. Para-nitrobenzaldehyde. This is para-methyl benzaldehyde. This is benzaldehyde. यहाँ पर neither withdrawing nor donating. So it contains moderate what Nana, reactivity towards nucleophilic addition reactions. So question number 1, chloral acetaldehyde, which is more chloral due to electron withdrawing group. Next beta is para-nitrobenzaldehyde, benzaldehyde, para-methyl benzaldehyde, which is more para-nitro, again electron withdrawing. Because of in presence of electron withdrawing group, carbonyl carbon, it contains more positive charge, easily attacked by nucleophile, more reactivity towards LEAR. Clear beta? Yes, after number, okay, यहाँ पर one is aldehyde, one more is estophenone, one more is benzophenone. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल एज कंपेयर टू दो कीटोन है यहाँ पर एक aldehyde, aldehydes आर मोर रिएक्टिव. आफ्टर दैट कीटोन, पहले सिंपल कीटोन, बाद में बल्कि कीटोन, बिकॉज ऑफ इट कंटेन मोर स्टेरिक रिपल्शन. Okay beta, and more resonance to benzene rings are there. Like that we have to give the explanation beta. Yes, this is the story about the relative reactivity of aldehydes and ketones. Okay beta, good. In next class we are going to discuss about the mechanism of addition of HCl. So up to now what we have studied beta generally, one is mechanism of nucleophilic addition reaction for all aldehydes and ketones, and one more is nothing but relative reactivity of aldehydes and ketones. Everything we have studied. Only 2 points successfully we have completed. Now examples we have to be considered now. What are the examples of nucleophilic addition reactions? Around 5 to 6 examples are there. Already I have told you. So one by one we will consider it. Okay na? Daily do finish करेंगे बेटा. Okay na? Right. बहुत important. Very 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 important. Try to make practice. Okay ना बेटा. चलो next class में मिलेंगे ना.